You know how regular voting works,
Yes.
where everybody votes, and whoever gets the most votes wins, right? Now, ranked choice voting is the same idea, except that you get multiple votes, and you get to vote for your first choice, and your second choice, and your third choice, as many as you want. Okay? So here I have a chart, and the chart says ranked choice voting at the top, and each of these columns is a voter. I'm putting V's in all of those columns. Each of these is a voter. All right? And these are a bunch of children, and they get to vote on what their snack is going to be today. Okay? And they can vote for candy, cake, candy, carrots, or chips. Okay? So I'm just going to quickly go through and vote as if I'm these children. And so I'm going to say child 1 wants cake as their number 1 and candy as their number 2. They don't like carrots or chips, so they're not going to vote for carrots or chips. Okay? Number 2 likes chips first, candy second, carrots third, and cake third, and carrots fourth. Okay? So you see how I'm doing that? Okay, I'm going to do a bunch more now. I'm just going to go 1, 2 here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 here. I'm going to go 1, 2. It doesn't really matter how. This is all different individuals who want different things. So for our experiment, it doesn't matter how. A lot of people I'm giving carrots. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This person likes all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so those are all their votes.
Can I make a vote?
Okay, we can do one more. So that'll be Greer. So you're just going to put a 1, 2, 3, 4 in these columns for cake, candy, carrots, or chips.
1.
Candy first.
2.
Chips second. Cake third. And carrots fourth. Okay. So the way that ranked choice voting works is in rounds. The first round, what we do is we go through and we circle all of the ones, and we count off how many each person got a number 1 vote. So cake got 1, 2, 3, 4 number 1 votes, and so they get a 4 for first round. Okay? Candy got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number 1 votes. So 5 for number 1. Carrots got 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot to circle. 1, 2, 3 number 1 votes. And chips got 1 number 1 vote. Okay? So the way that ranked choice voting works, normal voting would say that candy wins. Right? But that means that somebody who likes candy as their second choice, somebody who likes something else as their second choice, say this person who likes chips, their second choice was candy also, but their vote didn't get counted much at all because they voted for something that nobody likes at all. So the way that ranked choice voting works is we eliminate the least popular until there are only 2 left. And then there's a fair vote because everybody has a choice of 2 things, right? So in order to do this, I'm going to cross off chips because chips lost. And I'm going to see that a number 1 with a circle in it got crossed off. And so I'm going to circle the number 2 for that person. And now that's the second round. And I'm going to count them off again. I know that cake didn't change, so that's still 4. Candy didn't change. I'm sorry, candy did change. There's 1 more vote. So now candy has 6. Carrots, 1, 2, 3, didn't change. And so here we are, second round. We have 3 possibilities left. And we can see that carrots is the least popular of those 3. So now we're going to cross off carrots. And we have 3 number 1s that got crossed off. So this one is going to become a number 2. This one, the number 2 also already got crossed off, so this person didn't get any vote in the end, in the last round. And then this person was the same, so this person didn't get any vote in the last round. So now we've eliminated carrots and chips, and we have 2 more votes for candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, Did I do that right? No, it was only one more vote for Candy, for a total of 7. So we had 4 versus 7 in the end, in the third round.
Okay.
Did that make sense to you?
Yes.
Why did Candy win?
Because it got the most votes total at the end when there was just 2 left.
And if the numbers had changed, right, the way we happened to start this time is Candy was ahead in the beginning. But if all of those number 2s had been in Cake, Cake would have won, right?
Yeah.
Because the people's second choice would have been Cake.
Cake.
Okay. So I'm just going to draw this out again quick and see if you can do it on your own, okay?
Okay. Can I
So-
make the children voting?
You want to make all of the votes?
Yes.
Can you do it randomly?
Yes.
Okay. So
Actually, no, you
do you want to pick a different foods? Does it matter? Okay. Cake. Candy. Carrots. And chips.
Could you do it?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Oops, I'm doing it messy here. Just voters. I'll do some and you do some. How does that sound?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Cake. Carrots. Chips. Candy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So when I put 1, 2, 3, what does that mean?
That means that the person didn't like cake.
So
Or whichever category.
So they said,
it was.
I want candy, carrots, chips, or nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You can do the last 2.
Okay. How about 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So that is all of our voters for this round. I mean, for this test, and we're gonna have first round. And so go through and count up what all of the ones are, circling all the ones as you go. Cake got 4.
Okay.
Don't forget to circle it. Chips.
1, 2.
Okay.
So we can eliminate carrots.
Carrots only got 1 vote.
So yes.
Cross it out.
And then
And we see what was, there was
2.
1, and the 2 was
So
on
Candy
candy. So you
gets
circle the
5.
2,
Where is it? Oh.
and then you count all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 5.
So the second round, yep, that person got 5. We know the other ones didn't change, so you can just transfer the numbers over.
4,
That doesn't matter because that one's eliminated, and then the other one was 2.
2.
So the next step for the third round,
Is to cross off chips.
okay. That's good. And how many circles did we cross off?
2.
Okay. So where was the second choice of the first circle you crossed off?
This one?
Yep. Where's the second choice?
Up there.
But that one's already crossed off. So
And
where's the
up-
third choice? No, you do the first one. Where's the third choice?
Here.
Okay. So circle it. And do the other number. The third choice was cake.
Yeah.
So you circle it. And now count both of them all over again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So what's the end? Who's the winner?
Candy again.
Candy wins again with 6 votes to Cake's 5 votes. So can you tell me why this person right here voted for Cake?
What?
This person here? This person who voted for chips first, why did they vote for cake in the end?
Because they like cake.
Because
They want chips, candy, cake, or nothing.
Right.
And cake would be
they
their
wanted
third
chips, carrots, cake, or nothing.
Right.
Yeah. And since they wanted cake over candy, their vote went for cake, even though their first choice was for chips.
Right.
Does this seem more fair or less fair than regular voting?
More fair.
Yeah, I think so too.
Why do you think it's more fair?
Because you get to vote for more things than first, second, and third choice.
So if your first choice doesn't get it,
Your second choice might, your third choice might, and if you have a fourth choice, it might.
Thank you. You did perfect. You can turn it